What does the customer want? I mean, again, you brought up a lot of things. You brought up
Yeah,
ozone earlier. You brought up the touch screen and all the technology and all the different
yeah.
settings that you can offer. What does the customer want in 2025?
Yeah, I think time is everything. I mean, as we continue into the future, um, everyone's looking at ways to be more efficient with time, right? Especially with the work from home thing, taking back your time, making your own schedule. So the ability, I think, bigger machines are going to continue to become favorable. I think that's another trend we'll see. I think we'll start to see some of these smaller 20 pounders, 25 pounders slowly disappear from laundromats. And we'll see a lot more 70, 80, 90, and then,
Mhm.
maybe even 100 plus here soon. So I
Yeah.
see that as a shift too. They want to be able to throw 5 loads of laundry in there and get out in an hour, which could take them 6 hours at home, 8 hours at home,
Mhm.
or at a worse laundromat, 3 4 hours.
Mhm.
So I think that's a main thing that customers are going to be looking for going
Mhm.
forward.